Hello viewers, welcome to windowlinux.com. In this tutorial, I want to show you how to install anydesk on Ubuntu 25.04. Anydesk is one of the world's most user-friendly cross-platform, fast and secure remote desktop application. It's a great tool for tech support users and users who want to provide remote assistance while enjoying secure and high quality experience, like access all your programs, documents and files from anywhere without having to entrust your data to a cloud service. Okay, now let us see how to install anydesk on Ubuntu 25.04. First of all, here we have to add the repository key. Run the following command. Then we have to configure the anydesk repository from source list. Run the following command. After add the repository, we need to update the repository. Run the following command. Now the update is completed. Then finally we have to install the anydesk application. Run the following command. Then give yes and click on the enter. Now the anydesk installation is going on. Now the anydesk installation successfully completed. After installation, we have to click on the activities. Then here we have to enter the anydesk. Now here anydesk application show on the screen. Now we have to click on the anydesk application. Now here we can able to see the anydesk application. Now we can able to use this application. Thus we have seen how to install anydesk on Ubuntu 25.04.